I wanted to show you my review for the hOmeLabs Compact Dishwasher, model number HME0133N. And I wanted to show you it fits really well in my compact kitchen. My house was built in the 50s, and in this neighborhood they put a washer and dryer in all the kitchens. But I'm a bachelor, so I don't really mind much. But I have just finished a cycle of dishes, and I wanted to show you in real time how they come out. I really like this dishwasher. And I'll show you a close-up of how I have it hooked up to my sink. And there you see the Engdenton water filter. That's a sweet water filter, also available on Amazon. So it is possible to connect a water filter in between your faucet and the quick connect device that comes with the dishwasher. Now let me open up and I will show you some dishes and see how they have come out. Let's pull a knife out here. Knife is almost, well, it is relatively spotless. And let's reach in here and show you how it cleans a glass coffee cup. Let's see if you can't get it. Darn near streak free. I don't see any streaks on there. What you're seeing is glare from the lighting, but perfect. There is a really nice shine on these dishes, and they come out dry. And this particular set of dishes was washed on the economy setting, where it takes about 75 minutes to wash the dishes. So there you have it. I love this compact dishwasher. It cleans just as well as a permanent dishwasher.